Hey guys, welcome back to our channel TechTube. Today in this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can get more plays on SoundCloud. So eventually what happens, you use SoundCloud and you use a lot of plays, and eventually what happens is the plays might, let's say, end, or let's say the limit will be crossed. And then to get more plays, what you can do is just follow me for a while. I'll be teaching you a very easy step regarding that. And if you have any problems or any queries within the process, just let me know in the comment section right away. And now let's just get started. So firstly, just go to your SoundCloud app or SoundCloud website. I'm in the website right now. And then what you need to do is to have an unlimited one, what you need to do is just go with the subscribe to next pro. So just go with over here, which is try next pro. And then from here, what you need to do is, okay, you need to go to get started, and then just have everything, your yearly billing or monthly billing, and then choose the card and just buy the subscription, and then you'll get more plays on SoundCloud than before. So that's pretty much, guys, that's how you do it. I hope this video is helpful for you guys. So thank you for watching our video, guys. If you like our video, please leave a like and don't forget to subscribe our channel, and also hit the bell icon so you never miss an update from us. If you have any queries, just let me know in the comment section right away, and I'll see you guys again in our next video. Till then, stay safe, guys. Thank you for watching.